Hey guys, this is Tanner. Welcome to a quick walkthrough for the Solana Pay Scaffold. This is a simple scan to pay web page that'll allow you to uh, modify only very slightly a template that Solana Labs has made available. I will drop a link in the description here. All you got to do to get started is clone the repo, open it in your text editor of choice, and run one of these two commands, depending on the package manager you prefer, to get all of the node modules installed. And the next of one of these two commands to uh, get it spun up on your local host. So we'll do that here. I think I've already got the uh, packages installed. So yeah, up to date here. Yarn dev, we'll get it running on localhost. So this is the super basic template that they give you. It's pretty much ready to go. We're going to be working on the transfer request page. So to get started on modifying this, you'll go into your source folder and open up the pages and components. These are the ones that we'll be working on. So open up the app tsx file and change this to whatever you would like for it to be. In this instance, I'm going to say something like, buy me a coffee. And that could be the description here. And if you save that, you should see it automatically update the name of the web page. Yep, buy me a coffee here. Cool. And so yeah, it's refreshing the anything you save here, it'll do automatically, so you don't have to refresh the web page. So long as I think you have Node JS installed on your machine, which you probably wouldn't have gotten this far if you didn't have that yet. So I'm going to drop some links in the description to make sure you guys have all of the stuff you need installed on your machine to do this. So change that and head on up to transfer request QR TSX. And here you will see, actually wait, let's see what else we should modify first. Go to your layout, and here you'll see the actual title on the web page. So here you can change it to buy me a coffee. And there will be a package version there you can go ahead and delete. And something simple like, because I like coffee. All right, save. Changes instantly there. Cool. So I'm pretty sure that's all you'll want to change, except for here in the transfer request QR. You'll see that it is generating a random wallet address. So you don't want that. You'll want to put in your wallet address here. New public key. And here's where you'll put your wallet address. So in my instance, I have Solana CLI installed, so I'm going to say Solana address. And I can just copy pasta this into here. How much do you think a coffee costs? Maybe like a quarter of a sol today. So this is the value of sol divided, like the number of sol tokens divided by this amount. So in this instance, you are going to be sending 1/1000th. And in this instance, we'll be sending 1/4 of a sol. Let's see. Now, let's just see. Just zoom out a little bit, make this QR smaller. Now, I got my phone here. I'm going to scan this with my wallet to test it here. All right, sending 1/4 of a sol. Hopefully you can see that a bit. To 6 AUVX, that's me, yeah. Scan, it says sending, sent, and for continuity, let's see if we can view that transaction here on SolScan. There it is. So it's just that easy. All you got to do is clone the scaffold repo and change a couple of things. If you want, you can remove all the links to the other pages. Obviously, I think some of this links to the Solana documentation. You can remove all that, and this will simply allow a user to, actually, you don't even need to connect your wallet. Super convenient, yeah. So this scan to pay webpage, you can just use the QR code that it makes if you'd like to put on your own webpage. But yeah, I think that's all the details you need to know. If you want to dig into modifying the web page itself, you can do so. You can find tutorials on how to do all that. Really vital component here, that web page we just built is trapped on your local host, and it won't work for anyone else. So if you want to send it out into the real world, what you should do is download this ngrok program. I'm not sure if that's how you say that, but super simple. Once you've got that on your machine, you just run this command to call the same HTTP server that you've spun up, probably 3000 unless you're running multiple localhost web pages. And then once you've got that, you will be given a web page that third parties can visit. So here, I'll just go ahead and show you the example here. You'll be given a page like this, to which your visitors will be given a warning that says this is an in development web application hosted by ngrok. They will only see this one time. The way a user connects their wallet to your application is pretty straightforward. You aren't being given any permissions from their wallet. They're, aside from being able to request a transaction. But yeah, here is the ngrok version of the same application, and that little tidbit will get you off localhost. I just wanted to give you guys a quick and simple walkthrough on how to get an easy scan to pay web page up.